Hello test takers, so this is your favorite channel Duo Learner Educational Services. So guys, if you are new to the channel, so please don't forget to subscribe this channel. So we are giving you the wonderful videos, how to crack Duolingo English test and many more. So guys, please stick on the channel. So this video topic is that how can you see your writing and speaking sample. So let's start with that. So first of all, you have to share your test, right? And you can click on any university wherever you want to send, like I can choose Massachusetts Institute of Technology, right? So you can click on your undergraduate or graduate, so whichever you want to type in, just click on the institute, then continue. So guys, here you can see your certificate and interview. So click on the subscore, individual and integrated subscore. So you can click here interview section, right? And here you can see your speaking sample, right? And here underneath you can see your writing sample, right? So here it's pretty easy. You can see your writing sample as well and speaking sample. So if you want to share your test to your university, so that will be a great thing for you. So most of the students, they are commenting on the video section, so that's why guys I have to show that it's pretty simple and you can see your writing and speaking samples in your Duolingo English test. Thank you so much for taking time.